Welcome to the top best. The best postpartum pads is probably one of the most essential items a new mother will need during her recovery period, offering crucial comfort and protection when the body needs it most, and choosing the right ones can make a significant difference in managing postpartum bleeding and ensuring a smoother healing process. So let's dive into what makes a great postpartum pad. Number 5. Always Maxi Overnight Pad Size 5. Experience worry-free nights with our ultimate overnight protection. Designed for extra heavy absorbency, you can rest assured you'll stay dry and comfortable. Our size 5 pads offer maximum coverage for your peace of mind. They are specifically designed to fit securely and prevent leaks, even on your heaviest nights. Enjoy a gentle and comfortable experience. These pads are unscented, making them a great choice for sensitive skin. Featuring reliable wings, these pads stay in place throughout the night. Move freely and sleep soundly knowing you're protected. Get a full 36 count of these essential pads in one convenient pack. Stock up and be prepared for every night. What we like? Experience ultimate overnight protection with superior absorbency. If you need reliable coverage throughout the night and prefer an unscented option, this is the perfect choice for peace of mind. What people say? These are very absorbent and comfortable. They are a good size and stay in place well. I like that they are individually wrapped, which makes them easy to carry. Number 4. Frida Mom Postpartum Maxi Pads. Introducing Frida Mom Postpartum Maxi Pads. Designed for ultimate comfort and security during your postpartum recovery. These pads feature 6 layers of protection. This ensures maximum absorbency when you need it most. Experience leak-proof confidence with our advanced feminine care Maxi Pads. You can feel secure and protected all day long. Specially crafted for postpartum needs, these pads offer unparalleled comfort. Focus on your recovery knowing you're well protected. Each pack contains 18 individually wrapped pads. They are an essential part of your postpartum care kit. What we like? Discover unparalleled leak protection with advanced multi-layer design. If you prioritize maximum security and want to feel confident and dry, this is the ideal solution for heavy postpartum flow. What people say? These are super absorbent and hold a lot of liquid. They are very comfortable and don't chafe. The extra wide back provides great coverage and prevents leaks. Number 3. Frida Mom 15 PC Labor and Postpartum Kit. Introducing the Frida Mom 15-piece labor and postpartum kit. It's the perfect gift for expecting mothers and baby showers. This comprehensive set includes essential items for your recovery journey. You'll find everything you need to feel comfortable and supported. It features a peri bottle, nursing gown, and disposable underwear for convenience. You'll also receive ice maxi pads and pad liners for soothing relief. Experience gentle care with perineal foam and cozy socks. It even comes with a handy toiletry bag to keep your essentials organized. This kit is thoughtfully designed to support new mothers. Give the gift of comfort and preparedness with this all-in-one solution. What we like? Get a comprehensive set of postpartum must-haves in one convenient package. If you're looking for a thoughtful gift for a new mom or want to be fully prepared, this all-in-one kit covers all the bases. What people say? These are very absorbent and comfortable. They are a good size and stay in place well. The material is soft and breathable. Number 2. Frida Mom Postpartum Essentials Kit. Welcome to motherhood. We know the postpartum period can be overwhelming, so we've curated everything you need to feel comfortable and cared for. Pack your hospital bag with confidence. This kit includes must-haves designed to support you during your hospital stay and beyond. Experience soothing relief with our cooling maxi pads and healing foam. Designed for maximum comfort when you need it most. Our disposable underwear offers a secure and comfortable fit, making recovery easier. Plus, convenient liners for added protection. This comprehensive set provides all the essentials for new moms. It's the perfect gift to help you navigate the 4th trimester with ease. Looking for the perfect gift for a new mom? This all-in-one kit is thoughtful, practical, and ensures she has everything she needs for a smoother recovery. What we like? Pack your hospital bag with confidence using this curated selection of recovery essentials. If you're preparing for delivery and want convenient, effective items for your postpartum journey, this kit ensures you have key support readily available. What people say. These are super absorbent and hold a lot. They are very comfortable and don't leak. The size is perfect for postpartum use. Number 1. Frida Mom's C-Section Belly Binder. Designed specifically for you, this postpartum belly band protects your healing incision from everyday impacts. It offers gentle compression and crucial abdominal support to ease pain during your recovery. Experience therapeutic heat therapy with an integrated pad that delivers targeted pain relief. It improves circulation and can help accelerate scar healing on your incision site. Utilize specialized cold pack technology for immediate relief from post-surgical inflammation. It effectively reduces swelling and manages discomfort without medication. Enjoy dual-layer protection with a soft inner layer cushioning your scar and a reinforced outer barrier. This prevents painful bumps and pressure during daily activities. This flexible compression band expands to fit your changing postpartum body, from 22 to 44 inches. It provides customized pressure and support exactly where you need it. What we like. Soothe and support your C-section recovery with targeted hot and cold therapy. If you've had a cesarean delivery and are seeking pain relief, incision protection, and adjustable compression, this binder is designed to aid your healing process. What people say. These are very absorbent and hold a lot of fluid. They are comfortable to wear and don't chafe. The adhesive is strong and keeps the pad in place. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.